What's the deal? July 18th, it's 2:41 p.m. and I wanted to go over a trade. Also, I wanted to go over a few articles. So yeah, basically 100% of my portfolio is in Canntrust, and but before I get into that, I want to read this real quick. Aurora Cannabis weighs on sector after B of A downgrade highlights its cash burn. Aurora Cannabis shares tumbled Thursday to pull the overall sector lower after an analyst at Bank of America Merrill Lynch downgraded the stock on concerns about the rate at which it's spending cash. BAML analyst Christopher Carey downgraded the stock to neutral from buy and lowered his price target to 8 from $10, or about 15% above its current trading level. Aurora's U.S. listed shares ACB slid 7%. Aurora has emerged as one of the best operators in the cannabis sector, with industry-leading scale and margins even versus other large peers and global optionality, Carey wrote in a note to clients. However, despite this and a focus on profit, it is burning cash and by our estimates could be cash negative by first quarter 2020. Namely, if a large convertible debenture due in the first quarter stays out of the money. Even if it slowed its pace of burning through cash, Aurora will likely need funding sometime in the next few quarters, said the analyst. The company has access to about $100 million in credit facility. Now that's in Canadian. But convertible debt of $230 million that matures in the first quarter of 2020 will likely need to be paid in cash, barring a steep stock rally, he wrote. Yes, Aurora Cannabis, according to this analyst, has to pay cash because of their convertible debentures. They have to pay cash in the year 2020, according to them. Yeah, the reason I wanted to read that because that does affect all the pot stocks. Now, Canntrust right now is on its own. It's of course it's on its own because it fell like crazy. Right now, Canntrust is down 70% from its IPO. Okay, so let's get into the trades I made today. Well, yeah. So yeah, I'm still waiting for that deposit of $50. It should be in by Monday. And alright, so I'll start on the 17th. Alright, so yesterday it was 17th. I did a limit sell 983 shares at $2.86. Then I bought back 990 shares at $2.84. Then I did a limit sell of those 990 shares at $2.89. Then I bought 1,004 shares at $2.85. Then I sold those shares at $2.87. Bought 1,011 shares at $2.85. Then I sold those 1,011 shares at $3, which was today. Then I ended up buying 1,018 shares. I'm sorry, 1,010 shares. I was reading the cancels. I really don't like reading the cancels, so I'll skip those. So yeah, okay. From there, from 1011 shares sold at $3, I just bought back 1010 shares at $2.99, and then 5 shares at $2.98. Yeah, so my average cost right now is $2.99, and I did the trade right up here around these two candlesticks. It went up all the way to 315. I didn't budge. I was expecting it to fall after this crazy candlestick right here, so I just waited. I waited and I put limit buy at 290, and it didn't look like it was gonna get to 290, so I then raised the limit buy to 299. Right now, Canntrust is sitting at $2.95. And I was looking for some news about Canntrust, and there is some news about Canntrust. It ain't too big of news, but all right. So this one is about okay. So well, I'll just start reading some of it. Canntrust upgraded to buy at Zacks Investment Research. This news came out July 18, 2019. Zacks Investment Research upgraded shares of Canntrust from a hold rating to a buy rating in a report published on Wednesday. Zacks.com reports. So Wednesday was yesterday. Zacks Investment Research currently has $3 price target on the stock. According to Zacks, Canntrust Holdings operates as a pharmaceutical company. It develops and produces medical cannabis for healthcare sectors. Canntrust Holdings Inc. is based in Vaughan, Canada. Yeah, like I said, there ain't much news about Canntrust today. I saw something else. Let's just take a quick look further. Alright, so this is what I read earlier. Is the options market predicting a spike in Canntrust stock? Investors in Canntrust Holdings need to pay close attention to the stock based on moves in the options market lately. That is because the July 19, 2019 $5 call had some of the highest implied volatility of all equity options today. So yeah, I don't understand options much. I don't really look into options. But yeah, if y'all understand that, there you go. So it says here, what is implied volatility? Implied volatility shows how much movement the market is expecting in the future. Options with high levels of implied volatility suggest that investors in the underlying stocks are expecting a big move in one direction or the other. It could also mean there is an event coming up soon that may cause a big rally or a huge sell-off. However, implied volatility is only one piece of the puzzle when putting together an options trading strategy. Yeah, so that's all I wanted to do, is just read those articles that I saw and show y'all my trades. That's all I wanted to do. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button. All we do here is do insane trades, and yeah, help me out with some likes. Real quick, I'm down 47% all time. Past year, I'm down 46.13%. Past 3 months, I'm down 49.1%. Past month, I'm down 37.27. Past week, I'm up 9.78. Today, I'm up 2.66%. And ETF MG Alternative Harvest is down 0.97%. ACB is down 6.07%. Afria down 1.68%. Tilray down 2.23%. Village Farms is up 1.3%. Chronos is down 0.27%. Hexo is down 2.26%. Innovative Industry, IIPR basically, is down 1.79%. GW Pharmaceuticals is up 1.43%. Organigram is down 6.4%. Canopy Growth is down 2.05%. And I took off New Age Beverages. I got tired of looking at it. That's it, y'all. Peace out.